guys, it's Maxine. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I get my beachy mermaid waves. I really like wearing this version of like curls and waves because I just feel like it's very like glamorous but also like mermaidy and beachy. So I don't always get a chance to wear my hair down and pretty like this because I work as a hairstylist and I just feel like whenever my hair is down at work it's just like in my way. I'm not really productive because like I'm just always like trying to get it out of my way and stuff. Like it's getting stuck in the blow dryer and it's like dipping into the sink and I'm like as I'm cutting hair I'm picking it up with my comb. Yeah, all types of random stuff. So when I'm at work I usually wear it in like a high ponytail. So if you want to learn how to get like beachy mermaidy waves like this, then please keep watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss a future video. I always twist my hair up into a bun after a blow dry to get rid of the humidity. I always like to start off by just splitting my hair down the middle and bringing each side forward. And I really like using these gator clips because they're really strong and they hold up really long, heavy hair like mine. And then I just take a small section by the nape area and twist up the rest, and I do the same thing on the other side. I like to start off by taking 1-inch sections, and this is me making fun of how long my hair really is. I use any type of curling iron is good. I think this was about 1 inch. It doesn't have to be a wand. I just wrap it right around the clamp. I don't even open it, and I like to tuck the ends in at the end and then roll it up. And this is me doing my curl dance. And then I like to cool it off for a second in my hand, and this is the wave. I usually like to throw it behind me and then go off to the next curl. Just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, wrapping it around the barrel and tucking the ends in. When I get to the sections that are in the back, I try to keep them in the back and not direct them too far forward so that I definitely get like a nice curl down the back of my hair. Also, when I'm wrapping the section of hair around the barrel, I don't let go of the piece. I just keep wrapping it around and it kind of twists onto itself. Leave a little piece off at the ends, keeping it straight, and it'll keep the waves and curls looking pretty textured. After the curl comes off the barrel, it's nice to pull on it a little bit to help it straighten out so that it's not too curly. Like to separate any bigger curls into a bunch of smaller little pieces to help it look a little bit more lived in. Now I'm just spraying my hair with a really soft, flexible hairspray. I like to run my fingers through it to help mess it up a little bit and make it look more textured. Now I'm spraying a sea salt spray in, and this helps keep the wave really nice and beachy looking. I always like to look in the mirror really quick and check out the back of my hair, and then if I feel like there's any piece that needs to be recurled, I'll just go in and recurl one last piece or two. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for post notifications so that you receive a notification whenever I post my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's @MaxineEGlynn. And thanks for watching. Bye!